Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L5210DN printer driver download and installation. So first link, open any browsers to type like that and then click to brother support or brother.com. Just click on it. Select the operating system Windows. Mac also there, Linux also there. So select the Windows 11, 10 also, 64, 30 boot server also, another Windows operating system installations process same. So select your window operating system Windows 10 and 11, then click to OK. After that, scroll down. This is easy setup. This is full setup. Okay, you can see full setup with the software, and this is only printer driver. Click on it. After that, scroll down and then click agree to download. So after that, it will start downloading. Then click on these icons, open this folder where it is downloaded. You can see, right click to open this. Now this is extracting, then click to OK. After that, it will create new folder and then close it. Then click to start, click on setting, then Bluetooth network, and then printer scanner, and then click to add device. After that, click manual. It will show automatically after the click add device. Then click to local printer and manual setting, then next, then click to have disk. Click on browser, go to these locations where it is downloaded, open this, select INF file, then click to OK, then click to OK. Now find out HL5210, this one, 5210, this one. Then next, now this is installing the printer. So please, right now you need to connect the printer with your system, desktop, laptop. Then next, now you can see your printer is successfully installed. Now before the printing, you need to restart your printer and your system also. Then please check.